Connected cars and IoT integration. The integration of the Internet of Things into vehicles is ushering in a new era of connectivity and smart transportation. Connected cars equipped with sensors, internet access, and advanced software can communicate with other vehicles, infrastructure, and even pedestrians. This connectivity enhances safety, optimizes traffic flow, and provides a more personalized driving experience. Connected cars utilize technologies like vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication to share real-time information. For instance, a car can receive data about traffic congestion ahead, adjust its route accordingly, or even communicate with traffic lights to optimize speed and reduce stops. This level of coordination can significantly reduce accidents and improve fuel efficiency. The benefits extend to enhanced infotainment systems, over-the-air updates, and predictive maintenance alerts. Drivers can enjoy seamless integration with their devices, access cloud-based services, and receive software updates without visiting a service center. Predictive maintenance can alert owners to potential issues before they become serious, reducing downtime and repair costs. However, the rise of connected cars brings challenges, particularly concerning cybersecurity and data privacy. Protecting vehicles from hacking attempts and ensuring the secure handling of personal data are paramount. Manufacturers and regulators are working together to establish standards and protocols to address these concerns. As 5G networks expand, the capabilities of connected cars will grow exponentially. Faster data transmission will enable more complex interactions and support the development of autonomous driving features. The fusion of connectivity and transportation heralds a future where cars are not just vehicles but integrated components of a broader, intelligent transportation ecosystem.